Hello guys, today we're going to talk about adjectives. Okay, let's start without any wasting time. So firstly we need to look at what the adjectives are. Okay, look at your displays. You can see one statement in the blue. Actually, adjectives are one of the four word classes along with the noun, verb and adverb. Anyone who just want to go for the IELTS test or anybody who is a basic English learner, for them knowing these four classes extremely important. Okay, so adjectives are one of the four word classes in the English. Look at that, one of the four word classes along with noun, verb and adverb and adjectives. So let's look at what the adjectives function is. Okay, if you look at your display, you can see the second statement in the blue, and it simply tells us what is the function of the adjectives. Actually, if you read it, they are used to describe or modify nouns, or they give more information about objects. If I talk simply, adjectives are used to describe or give extra or additional information about nouns or any objects, people, places, or anything else. Okay, I think we can learn it better with the 3D examples. Let's learn it. Okay, as you can see at your display, we have the two cubes. One cube's getting bigger. There's a nice glossy cube. Okay then, as you can see at your displays, one cube is quite bigger and another cube is quite small. So in order to describe what kind of cube it is, or in order to give extra information about the cube, we have put this adjective. Look at there, and this is also adjective, and these two adjectives named big and small, they are describing the cube, and the cube is a noun. So I think you might have understood about that. Adjectives are used to modify or qualify or give extra information about nouns. So look at there in the circle. Okay, adjective plus noun. This is a simple formula. Okay, so let's get back to our theoretical examples. So these are two same examples. This is big cube and this is a small cube. This is adjective and this is a noun. Adjective describe noun. Adjective describes noun. Okay, it says cube is big, and this adjective reflects cube is small. Okay, let's move on to another example. It will also add to the clearance and help us to bring precision. Okay, as you can see at your display, there are two images, but we have the same sentence. This is a landscape and this is a landscape. If we just read these two statements, it doesn't make any difference. It doesn't bring any clarity in the language. If we tell any other person, this is a landscape and this is a landscape, this can be quite inaccurate. Other person can say, this is kind of doubtful language. Okay, so in order to say or describe a landscape or give extra information about landscape matching to the image at the backdrop, we can put in adjectives. Okay, now look at that. Now we have two adjectives. One is beautiful and other is barren. If you look at the image at the background, this landscape is quite beautiful, attractive, appealing to the senses. And if you can see this image, this is a kind of arid, God-forsaken place where there is no any productivity or cultivation. So this is a kind of barren place. So okay, so beautiful and barren, they are both describing the noun landscape. Okay, so I think you might have understood that adjectives are used to describe the noun. Okay, then let's get back to our examples. So same examples here. There is a beautiful landscape and there is a barren landscape. Again, for the recap, I need to tell you, beautiful is adjective and landscape is a noun. Again, here barren is a adjective and a landscape is a noun, and these both adjectives are giving additional information about a noun landscape, because we cannot use only there is a big landscape or there is a landscape or there is a landscape. In order to describe accurately, we need to put in adjectives because they help us to bring accuracy and also extra information about the people and places. Okay, I hope you have better understanding about adjectives from this video. Adjectives have many other subclasses and many other uses. In order to learn them more accurately, keep watching my upcoming videos. Okay, thank you. If you like this video, hit the subscribe and like button. You can also hit bell button in order to receive much needed notification about English accuracy and IELTS learning. Okay, thank you. Until next time.